everyone, it's Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the beautiful December hip kits. My first project with the December kits will be a mixed media layout, and I'll use the Ranger Superfine White embossing powder and some of our exclusive metal dies. First, I cut some trees from white cardstock using the December 2023 Snowflake Tree metal die. Then I color the trees using ink pads and a blending brush. Now I cut snowflakes from white cardstock using the December 2022 Snowflake Cluster Metal die and the December 2022 Layered Snowflake die. Both dies are still available on the HipKit Club website. I heat embossed the snowflakes using the Ranger White Superfine Embossing Powder, which is included in the December color kit. I press the snowflake die cut on an ink pad with embossing ink, add the embossing powder and melt the powder with a heat tool. Now the snowflakes have a glossy texture that looks really beautiful. I want to use the embossing powder to add some snow to my trees, but I don't want to cover the whole tree. So instead of using the ink pad to apply the embossing ink, I use an embossing pen. The pen allows you to apply the ink more precisely. And here you can see the result. I really like how this turned out. Now I fussy cut houses and trees from the Hippie Club exclusive Cozy Adventures Outdoor Fun paper. I cut off a piece of the essential solid below zero cardstock, which is included in the December cardstock kit, and glue it on my layout. This will be my background. Then I arranged the trees, the snowflakes and the fussy cut elements and adhere them. Now it's time to add my photo. I don't want to use the whole photo, I just cut out the dogs and myself. placed the photo on my layout combined with 2 house stickers from the mini puffy shape stickers pack, which is included in the December embellishment kit. I also add a word die cut from the Cozy Adventures chipboard die cuts pack, which is also included in the December embellishment kit, and a small snowflake. I pick out some die cuts from the Cozy Adventures cardstock ephemera pack, which you can find in the December main kit. One of them will be my title. Then I add 3 puffy stars from the Puffy Star stickers pack, which you can find in the December embellishment kit. I continue embellishing the layout with some of the adhesive pearl stickers, which are included in the December main kit. And I finished with 3 more puffy stickers and some Nuvo drops for my stash. My layout is finished. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.